Hi guys, I'm making a video actually kind of with Daniel in mind because I think he's a bit nerdy like me about such things, but I wanted to show you my online training studio that I built here in Germany that I've been using since COVID. Actually, it was my project during COVID, so we had some work to do. So I just wanted to give you a quick tour. I think Daniel, you'll be interested. Maybe some other of you will be interested. So give me 1 second. I'm gonna flip. Okay, so I'm currently in the all week long in a session. So this is my studio here. I'll start over at the, first of all, I have a green screen behind me, all lit up. I have over here what's called my multi-view, so I can see which cameras I'm using, inputs, so on and so on. I got wireless microphones. For my video, oops, sorry, messed up my gimbal here. For my video switching, I'm using the ATEM Blackmagic Mini Pro. Pretty cool little device. And then of course I have a dual monitor, so for example, it's not showing right now, but I have my ATEM software up usually, and then whatever I happen to be presenting, my Zoom software, so on and so on. And then I also set up a little tablet right here for my view, so I can see what the participants are seeing. Got my laptop mounted in a dock right here that controls everything. So go around a little bit. Oops. It's very customizable because every training's different, every type of equipment. So over here, like for example, in this training, I'm showing these small parts as I'm talking live. So I have a camera set up here, actually a Sony Handycam, and a light. For more mobile stuff, I have this gimbal. I have a gimbal in my hand, of course, and also have this gimbal that I use. I'm not using it for this training, but I also have a podcast board that I use a lot for other type projects. You can see as I come around here, I got my front light for my face and as we're sitting there, and then my rear lights to take care of the green screen. And then over here is where I do all my live stuff. So in this case, that machine right there is what I'm teaching this week. But I have multiple cameras, Blackmagic cameras. And what's really nice about them, I have them all, I put them on wheels, so they're portable. Then you're wondering, what about the cables? Well, I use these right here, wireless transmitters, to transmit to the ATEM without a cable. And then, so I step in front of the camera, I do my thing. I also set up, of course this is green screen as you can see, and I also set up over here another monitor, which is my multi-view for my ATEM. So when I'm over in this part, I can see exactly what I'm doing. So that's how I spend my days, doing online trainings in this former workshop. Now I call it the studio. Yeah, I thought you might be interested. Anyway, love you all. See you later. Greetings from Germany.